genius. Get ready for a fun knowledge adventure. Today, we're diving into the animal kingdom with the General Knowledge Animal Quiz. You'll face 50 brain-teasing rounds and only 10 seconds to pick the right answer. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's jump right in. Which one is the most dangerous, the hornet or the lion? Hornet is the correct answer. Can you guess which creature has 5 eyes, the bee or the crab? Yes, bee has 5 eyes. Which one is heavier, the elephant or the rhinoceros? Superb! Elephant! Can you tell which one has the strongest bite? The shark or the orca? Correct! Orca! Would you rather get bitten by a shark or subscribe to Knowlio? Do you know the longer neck animal between these two? The giraffe or the ostrich? Yep, giraffe. Which animal spits to defend themselves, the goats or the llamas? Llamas is the correct answer. Which animal does not have the ability to fly, the chicken or the pigeon? The chicken doesn't have the ability to fly. Which creature is the most venomous? The jellyfish or the scorpion? You know it, jellyfish. Who is faster, the tiger or the lion? Tiger is the correct answer. Any idea which creature can switch its sex, the clownfish or the seahorse? Aha! Clownfish! Name the animal that is famous for building dams, the beaver or the otter? Correct! Beaver! Name the animal that barely sleeps, the leopard or the giraffe? Brilliant! Giraffe! Which creature sleeps with one eye open, the dolphin or the frog? Dolphin is the correct answer. Which one has teeth, the worm or the snail? Amazing! Snail. Can you guess which one flies quicker, the dragonfly or the butterfly? Of course, dragonfly. Which one lives the shortest life, a fly or a mosquito? A fly has the shortest life. Which animal has better eyesight, the eagle or the falcon? Eagle, you are a genius. Who is likely to live longer, the elephant or the turtle? Perfect, turtle. Which bird can sleep while flying, the albatross or the bat? Correct, albatross. Any idea which one sniffs out truffles, the rabbit or the pig? Right again, pig! Which one has the longest tongue compared to its body, the anteater or the chameleon? Anteaters have the longest tongues. Identify the animal that has the sharper sense of smell, the bear or the dog? Bingo! Bear! Who sleeps more, the sloth or the koala? You got it, koala. Who lays the biggest eggs, the ostrich or the turtle? Awesome, ostrich. One of these two has 3 hearts, the octopus or the crab. Octopus has 3 hearts. Which one swims faster, the dolphin or the swordfish? Swordfish is the correct answer. Which animal changes its color, the chameleon or the cuttlefish? Aha! Chameleon! Which one has longer claws? Grizzly bear. animal stores food in its cheeks? The hamster or the squirrel? Correct! Hamster! Which animal hunts in groups? The wolf or the leopard? Wolf! Can you guess which one has more teeth, the shark or the dolphin? Of course, shark. Do you know the real reptile, the frog or the snake? Snakes are real reptiles. Which one can camouflage itself, the octopus or the jellyfish? Octopus! Which animal is smarter, the cat or the pig? Correct, pig. Which one is famous for teamwork to fish, the orca or the shark? Clever move, orca. Which one releases a foul smell to defend itself, the ferret or the skunk? Well done, skunk! Which animal has bigger eyes, the squid or the owl? Bingo, squid! Which one can regenerate its skin, the snake or the crocodile? Wow, snakes can regenerate their skin? Which animal is famous for its creepy laugh, the hyena or the lynx? Amazing! Hyena! Do you know the king of the jungle, the lion or the tiger? Lion is the correct answer. Which animal can swim, the penguin or the lion? Of course, penguin. Which one is faster, the gazelle or the hare? Yeah, gazelle! Which animal can mimic human speech, the parrot or the owl? Great work! Parrot! Which Which animal hibernates, the deer or the hedgehog? Hedgehog! Which one can go the longest without water, the kangaroo rat or the camel? Excellent! Camel! Which one sings to communicate, the whale or the orca? Exactly, whale! Name the animal known for its memory, the elephant or the camel. The elephant has a good memory. Which animal is the puzzle solver, the crow or the sheep? Crow! Which creature can regrow its limbs, the starfish or the octopus? Of course, starfish. Drop your score in the comments, hit that like and subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome quizzes.